Metcalf Land and Lawn began when I was 16 to make money for college, and since then we've transitioned into a thriving small business. I'm Caleb Metcalf, and with my father I co-own and operate Metcalf Land and Lawn. The versatility of a Grasshopper allows us to both spray and mow with one machine.
They'll work all day for the business, and during the summer days when you're mowing, we'll take one down to my personal house and my wife will get on it and mow the lawn. So that's a versatile machine.
But a big reason I own the Grasshopper is that I have a dealer and a mechanic that I know I can trust, and that is just critically important to me.
I know each and every time that we sell a Grasshopper, they're getting a top of the line, quality piece of equipment. They're not gonna have problems.
It's a quality made machines, and we work them hard, so we wanted something dependable.
And a lot of environments where people talk about how rough it is, it doesn't seem so bad to us. They reduce vibration, both with their transmission and how they have the seat isolated. It's just a pleasant experience.
At Grasshopper, we're not just selling you a product that day, we're selling you a product for life.